Sleepy, bro. Just an hour putting in for a white sling certification.
Sorry. No, I just I'm not processing a lot of this.
Why not?
I wasn't paying attention.
What else is doing?